how to add your Pinterest account to Tailwind. Okay, so the first thing is to log in. If you haven't, by clicking on the login, you simply come here to log in by putting your email address, putting your password. Then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the login. Okay, and then you will be brought to the pin scheduler. What you have to do is that simply come and then click on connect Pinterest account, or you can also get it from the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard and then simply come here, okay, where it says connect Pinterest account using the pin scheduler. You are going to see that over here we have add Pinterest account. Come and then click on add Pinterest account. Okay, so when you click on it, automatically if that email address is the one that you are having your Pinterest on, it is going to connect by simply coming to give them access. Okay, so simply come here, then come and click on give access. So when you click on it, it is going to ask you, are you sure? So confirm it, then come and then click on the confirm. So when you click on it, that is it. Your Pinterest account has been connected to your Tailwind, and that is it. So now you can start pinning and then schedule, and then others you have to do is simply come and click on open pin scheduler, and then you can come and then open or upload some pins, and that is it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.